Key Replacement Caboolture South. Tech Locksmiths is a trusted locksmith Caboolture South, providing fast and secure services across residential, commercial, and automotive needs. Our skilled team handles everything from rekeying and emergency lockouts to key cutting Caboolture South using quality materials. As an expert automotive locksmith Caboolture South, we assist with car lockouts, transponder programming, and key replacement Caboolture South for most makes and models. We also install new locks, repair damaged systems, and offer safe access without harm, whether for homes, cars, or businesses. We deliver efficient solutions backed by certified locksmith experience.